The plan today is to get some water out in this chicken coop. Carrying buckets of water out there all the time is not very fun, especially when the ground is icy and it's slippery. So I'm going to dig a trench from this garage here to the chicken coop and put a water line in with an automatic waterer. So right here, this building has its plumbing coming in and out. There's already a water line going in there and a septic line going out. So I gotta dig a trench from there, following this path. And come in probably right there. Alright, so we just finished this up, pouring the concrete around the thing, around the pipe, and got the water hooked up in the garage, and now I have water in my chicken coop. I am very excited about that, and I'm sure the chickens are too. I just finished installing this automatic chicken waterer. The idea is when the chicken drinks, that's supposed to let out more water. So it's all automatic, and it's supposed to stay a lot cleaner than it would with that, which is usually full of hay and stuff. So I'll see how it works out.